everyone, it's Lou Collins. Welcome to another 3-minute card making hacks. Now today I'm going to show you how to create your very own wood grain cardstock very quickly and easily. So you're going to want to start off with a pale brown or pale grey paper or cardstock first of all. Then you're going to want to take an old acrylic block. The size isn't too important because you can pretty much do this with any size. You'll just adapt the way you use it. And you're going to want some string or twine, so probably one that you're not worried about using on your craft projects too much. Then some double-sided tape, just hold the string in place. So what we're going to do is pop the double-sided tape just along the back of the acrylic block and peel off the backing. So you're going to just adhere one end of the twine or string to that tape and then just start wrapping around the block completely randomly. Don't worry about gaps and such. We kind of want that, you want the natural look. So go around a couple of times like so, and then we're going to finish by trimming just over the tape so that you can adhere that loose end down as well. There we go. So now we have our own textured stamp. I've got some brown ink here and I'm just going to press all of that string into the brown ink. Now I'm using a Distress Oxide, but you can use absolutely any ink you have to hand. So just making sure that the string is saturated with ink. The first time you might need to give it a really good rub to make sure you've got lots on there. And then we're just going to swipe down our paper. So like so, and you're going to get lots of different effects. So make sure you re-ink and you turn your cardstock or your paper. You can give it a little bit of a wiggle as well to get some variation going in there. And look at that, isn't that just so quick and easy? And do you know what? It's reusable because you can either clean this up, use it again once the strings are dry, or you can just snip all those strings away and carry on using your acrylic block as you were before. So I hope some of you found that helpful. Just an example there, you've got two different patterns from two different blocks. You can redo it each time or just save yourself an old block with some string wrapped round for this effect as and when you need it. So if you enjoy this, don't forget of course to check out this video here on YouTube on our channel that we think you'll like, and also just subscribe to the YouTube channel here if you'd like to see more videos and tips and tricks like this. Take care everybody, I hope to see you again really soon.